What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Two Phones for Free, back again with another informative video. So I haven't gotten around to getting my Pixel desktop to run the way I want it to run just yet. That might take another weekend or whatever like that. But Motorola came in with the clutch. Shout out to Motorola and Smart Connect and Juan from Pocket Now. It's called Smart Connect, bro. I'm gonna show y'all again, like I did in my review. Right. So you go to Motorola, you go to Smart Connect. All right, you're gonna tap on Smart Connect. That's my laptop, right? That's my laptop. This is my laptop, my Lenovo Idea Slim 3. It's got Ryzen, AMD Radeon graphics. Let that sink in. I got AMD software all on this laptop, right? But that's not gonna power this. This secondary screen is by Aoc. The secondary display, I connected it to my Windows laptop, my Lenovo, right here. Two different desktops, as you can see. I'm finna kill it. All right, I'm finna do the thing, right? So I connected it wirelessly. The smart connection here. It's already on my laptop. This is it. This is my This is my phone. My Moto G Stylus 2024. Oh, man, a budget phone, a cheap phone. You can't afford it. You can't afford it. Oh, no, I'm going there. You can't afford it. You can't afford it. Now I'm showing the people. I'm here for the people and by the people. I'm showing the people. This gonna save you a ton of money, and forget all these haters and trolls that ain't teaching y'all nothing. They ain't educating y'all now. YouTube, this is educational purposes only. I might even put it on TikTok. Let me see. A short version. Okay, so I got it in landscape mode. So this budget phone, this peasant phone, the Moto G Stylus, is wireless ported to the screen right over here. Okay, this is not the same. I'm gonna show y'all. This is my Windows setup, my Windows 11. My Windows 11 setup right here. As you can see, you got the Windows Start menu. Windows Start menu. Now I'm gonna show you something else. This on the other screen is Android. This is Motorola Smart Connect. Watch this. It's my app tray. Okay, this everything I got running on this budget, this cheap peasant phone. Nah, I'm gonna have to say it like that because this is straight Target, but also educational. All right, so here it is. There you go. There you see it. You see it. Okay, that's different. That's a difference. This is Android desktop for Motorola, Moto G Stylus 2024. I'm just peeping game. I'm just putting y'all on game. Man, this is crazy. I got coding apps because I'm going to school for cybersecurity. I'm learning Python. So I'm downloading all these coding apps for free on Android, even though my teacher said you can't code on your phone. I'm gonna say that's a little lie. I'm gonna say that's a little lie because if you do your research, ladies and gentlemen, for free, you got Google, you got Microsoft Copilot. Look, I'm gonna check this out. And yes, I have been using Copilot for all of my information. Anything I'm trying to do, anything I'm trying to work on, I'm using Microsoft Copilot on my Windows. It's already built into the system. You got to download extra bull crap because some of it is, but yeah, I'm gonna let y'all decide. That's facts. All right. So I'm using Microsoft Copilot on my phone. I mean, on my I'm doing it both on my computer and my phone. But check this out though. I'm gonna go to my app drawer. Right over there. That's my app drawer. You know, desktop mode, and I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Yeah, let me open up that app. Brilliant. Okay, Brilliant. You can download this on your phone. All that's coming from the stuff I got on my Motorola phone. All right, all them apps that y'all see on this screen is coming from this device. All you gotta do is hit connect. Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi connection. Okay? Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi connection on your phone as you are on your laptop. All right? Now, the thing is, you have to buy an extra screen. You want to have this set up like that. You got to buy an extra screen, or you don't, or you don't. Or you can just connect everything from your phone to your main laptop. That's all I want to say about that. That's all I want to say about that. And in my opinion, I think this setup works better than what Google is trying to implement on Android 16. Like I said, I haven't done it yet with Pixel to connect to my laptop and to the screen and, you know, see what the stock Android desktop will look like. But for my use, for my opinion, for my preference, for my experience, I am enjoying the setup desktop Motorola has implemented in their budget cheap phones, peasant phones, and it'll still work on a budget cheap peasant laptop. I'm gonna just throw that in emphasis for the haters and trolls. Okay? For the people, by the people, for the people. Because TUPHONEZ is for the people and by the people. All right? These apps are for free. Coding, you can code on your phone, your laptop. You can create a new desktop from your peasant phone for your, I'm gonna say it, your Section 8 phone, and you can start coding, creating your own stuff. And you know what? You don't have to worry about the middlemen or the big men or big dogs messing with your games or messing with your whatever, your library, whatever you got going on your devices, because you own it. You own this. I'm not paying month to month on this phone. I'm not paying month to month on this laptop. And I damn sure ain't paying month to month on that extra screen. I own it. This is all me. And guess what? This whole little setup I'm showing y'all. Peep this out. This gonna blow y'all mind. This whole little setup costs less than your iPhone Pro Max, less than your S25 Ultra, and way less than a Pixel Pro, whatever. I'm just keeping a real wall 100 with y'all on this YouTube video. Educational purposes only. Okay? You can get a lot done with what you already have. You know what? You have to use your brain, and you have to dig deep into your mind. If that's what you really want to do, if that's what you're really trying to do, you can do it. Look at all the programs. I got Python, I got VLC, I got the majority of what everybody else showing on their desktop. Steam, I got NVIDIA, I got Epic Games, I got Unreal Engine, I got Grammarly, I got OSB Studio, I got Notepad++, because you got to know Python and coding on your Windows with that. All right? But I have to disagree with my instructor that you can't code. You can code on your Android device. Let me show you. You can code on your Android device. You just got to pick the right applications. Like I said, brilliant. That's a study. That's to keep your mindset and test yourself, right? You can do that. Again, ChatGPT, you get ChatGPT. Copilot, you get Copilot again. Like I said, man, you get the Python app. It's a full-fledged for free Python application, Grammarly, that can help you with your, you know what I'm saying, with your studies, with your essays, your resumes, all that. Okay, for free. Okay, you just gotta want to learn it and do it. And then if you think you could show it to the world, post it. You see what I'm saying? Look, we got Memo. You got Memo. Okay. So, and you can use the Notion app for note taking. Look, I'm giving y'all some gems right now, bro. I'm giving you, and then they got my Python right there. Python Master, Python Code Pad. Okay. So all them applications are for free, even on your peasant budget for free smartphone. And all you got to do is, you know, put a little money to the side, get you a decent laptop. This is from Lenovo. Like I said, this is my very first Lenovo laptop. I used to trash Lenovo. I used to, if you know me back in the day, I all I did was HP. HP this, HP that. It was it. HP, that's all I ever knew. I tried to do a Dell. I didn't spend enough time with my Dell. It was a netbook, okay? It was a netbook from T-Mobile. All right. Practically got it for free. But, you know, I let one of my friends get it because they was desperate for a laptop. So I was like, so I already got an extra one here. All right. I was trying to do Dell, but I've been with HP forever. And all of a sudden I'm with Lenovo and Motorola. All right. This is my setup. All right. It is what it is. You could dislike the video all you want to, but I'm just showing you and I'm proving to you that you could get a lot of work done on a budget. Like I said, this whole setup costs less than an Xbox. This whole setup costs less than a PlayStation 5. Whole setup costs less than a Steam. Whole setup costs less than a Switch 2. Shots fired. That's all I'm going to say. Shots, I'm throwing shots. Shots fired. I'm shooting. Shots fired. And I ain't going to miss. I ain't going to miss. That's all I'm saying. And like I said, this whole setup is worth more than your iPhone 16 Plus, more than your iPhone 16 Pro. It is. Just Google it. Just Google the products. Put it all on Amazon. Put it all on Amazon cart. I guarantee you, you're not going to spend $400. Maybe $400, roughly. For the whole thing, for the phone, the laptop, the extra screen, maybe $400. Flat out. Maybe lower than that. You got to do the math. But I'm saying this whole setup and the apps is for free. Come on, man. We talk about TUPHONEZ. Y'all know who I am. TUPHONEZ for free, man. And anybody thinking the Razer Edge 5G is trash. Look, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all. I got Gamehub too. I got the new update. I got the new update too. And I'm gonna be real on 100. The new update is nice. I like the UI. I'm gonna do a full-fledged review on that. I like the UI. Matter of fact, this is the full-fledged review. I like it. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. My controller works. My controller works with it. It's nice. I got the Razer Ultra. So, hey, shout out to the Gamehubbers. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is, man. Call a spade a spade. Now, hey, call a spade, but I like my setup, man. It is what it is. Show your setup then. Show your setup. Let me see what your setup could do. Like I said, I can look, bro. I can put code. I can code for free on this peasant phone with this screen and my Windows 11, my Lenovo. Yeah, you can code. You want to code, bro. Start programming. Stop clout chasing and all that capping and all that stuff like that. Stop hating and all that. You really want to put a stop to something, then you do it yourself. How about that? You get all the programs, you got all the software. Come on, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. This all TUPHONEZ been trying to say, man. Stop all that bull crapping in Telegram and Discord, man. That's for free too. Y'all on there for free too. Ain't that something? I'm a cook. I told y'all I was gonna cook, bro. Stop playing with me, man. I'm passionate about this stuff, bro. Don't y'all understand that stuff, bro? For real, man. This more than this like, yeah. I got the Steam Deck switch. This is what I call it, Steam Deck switch. This is a dock, okay? This is the dock. This is a Nitro Deck controller. Look, Nitro Deck on my switch. This is what it is, bro. That's what y'all hating on? This is what y'all hating on? That's sad, bro. In my opinion, that's sad. That's all I gotta say to the people. And smash that like button when y'all come in, man. Smash that like button when y'all come in, man. This all I'm saying, bro. I got, like I said, I got Notepad++ on my Windows. Know what I'm saying? Man, what they talking, bro? What they talking? I got Python. What is it? Bro, what is they doing, bro? What is they doing with themselves? Know what I'm saying? What is they doing with themselves? That's all I gotta say, bro. I got like 3 or 4 operating systems in one, bro. I'm a cook. I'm a cook for free, dog. I'm a cook for free. Cook for free. Hashtag cook for free. And put that on the t-shirt. Merch coming soon. Cook for free, man. TUPHONEZ free. Thank y'all for watching, man. Hey, and YouTube, like I said, this is for educational purposes only. I'm just telling the audience that, truthfully, you got everything you need in the palm of your hand, on your desktop. You got everything you need. You just gotta want to do it. You just gotta want to be about it. That's facts. That's all I'm saying to the people. That's all I'm saying to y'all, bro. If I can do it, y'all can do it. That's fact. Let's go. Let's go get this going, man. Let's go to coding. Let's go to programming. Let's go get this Python rolling. Let's go get this Motorola rolling. Let's go get that. Hey, like I said, once I get my Pixel stuff set up, I'm gonna drop that video. But it's already on YouTube. I know y'all waiting on me, but it's already on YouTube for free. So, or go Google it. Google Android 16 desktop mode, all that stuff. It's already on YouTube. It's already on Google. You don't need me for that. You got your phone. You got a budget phone. You got your little peasant phone. You got your little peasant laptop. Go ahead. Search. You can use Copilot. I got Copilot. Go ahead, search. That's all I'm saying, man. That's all I'm saying, bro. It is what it is. You know what? I'm mad that it had to come down to this. I'm mad it had to come down to this. But you know what? Ain't nobody else on YouTube like me, bro. I'm authentic. I'm raw. And I keep it real and 100. They don't. That's freaking facts, man. And if they think I'm a lie, you need to drop a comment. Prove it. I'm out.